Hey everyone, Craig here at Black Anvil Digital Foundry, taking a look at a Shopify uh, theme development project that I think is would be interesting to many. This particular client is, as you can see, in the swimwear space, and what they were interested in was functionality very similar to that of the Skims website, which is a very famous brand that focuses on, of course, women's intimates in particular. So, just to give you an example of what the client was looking for, we'll take a look at the Skims boy short product here. So, on this particular boy short product page, we're looking at the boy short product in the mineral shade color. And what the client was interested in having this sort of swatch functionality, where it actually opens up a separate product page. You'll notice that the URL string changes here when I switch from one product to another, and you can see that the full site reloads. And so the reason behind that was that the client here has, for example, looking at their swimsuit bottoms, they've got several different sort of styles, I guess, models of swimwear bottoms, tops. One is called let's say the Carter. Okay. The Carter bottom comes in several different colors. They wanted to be able to show them all on a collection page, such as this, as opposed to the normal Shopify functionality where all of these would be color variants on a single product page. The Carter bottom product page would have all of these color variants, but they wanted to sort of flesh out a collection page and make sure that a user could browse all of the available options on the same page, rather than just clicking individually on different product pages. So what this actually does, you'll see we've got Carter bottom coffee, Carter bottom film, so on and so forth. The customization that we've implemented is to link each of these Carter bottom products, for example, to the other Carter bottom products in different colors. So this is the Carter bottom coffee. So if someone sees this one and says, "Oh, this looks nice, but I kind of interested in the red color," they can choose the red, which will take them to the Carter bottom in that hype red color. Then on the product page, we have the same list of all color swatches. And now they might say, "Oh, actually, I'm curious about this particular color, which is the peak ribbed." So it's got a bit, not just the regular peak, but the peak ribbed, which has a bit of a texture to it. And so, right, so it allows easy visual linking to different colors. And this is all done with through use of a meta object or several meta objects, which are set up, as you might know or may not, in the content section of a Shopify admin store. So I created a new meta object definition called color options, and there is a new meta object, a separate meta object for each of those products. And if I click on one, so we were looking at the Carter bottom, right? We will see all of the color options in one property on the object, and then each of those is mapped to its product. And I used that meta object in the front end to allow all the colors. So that meta object is assigned to a given product, each of these Carter bottom products. And then all of those different products within the object can be linked as they are here. And also, if we go back to a collection page here. You'll see, no, sorry, that's back on a product page. Let's go back to just bottoms. And then if on a mobile view, for example, so you'll see these color swatches, right? We've got 5 here, and then it shows there's a button to view 4 more, right? So it toggles between them. The reason that we don't have them all out in a row, it gets a little bit overwhelming on a collection page to see, like 12 color dots everywhere across the bottom. So this visually makes it a little bit more digestible, and also it is more compatible with a mobile view, which of course is what most of our customers are looking at, right? So that we've got, five across, and then, for example, one more, that blue. So if I wanted to look at the blue, I click on the blue swatch, and there we are on the Blair Bottom Royale ribbed in blue. Now, interestingly, like I said, it was based on the Skims site. If you're familiar with Skims, just a curiosity here, you may not know this, but now you will. That Skims is actually built out as well on Shopify. And it's a more advanced, customized, uh, headless Shopify store, right? But everything in here is served on the Shopify CDN, or Content Delivery Network. So everything has references. There's 37 references here to Shopify, and right, Shopify. We got our CSS files hosted on Shopify and so on. So it's a Shopify site, obviously with a large team of skilled developers. But anyhow, so that's it. If you're interested, get in touch with me at Craig at blackanvildigital.com. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.